In today's video, I'm going to teach you share OneNote across devices by storing notebooks in OneDrive, signing in with the same Microsoft account everywhere, and letting OneNote sync automatically. The key to having your notes show up everywhere is simple. Make sure your notebooks live in the cloud, not just on your computer. On your main computer, open OneNote and check where each notebook is stored. If you see a location labeled "This PC," that means it's local and won't sync to your phone, tablet, or other computers. What you want to see is OneDrive next to the notebook name, which means it's already set to sync. If a notebook is local, moving it is quick. Go to File, then Share. Choose OneDrive as the destination, pick the folder where you want the notebook to live, and click Move or Share. OneNote will upload the entire notebook to OneDrive. If it's large or you have lots of embedded files, give it a few minutes to finish. Try to keep OneNote open and your internet connection stable during this first upload. A small tip: keep your OneDrive notebooks organized in a clear folder so they're easy to spot later, and consider giving notebooks a consistent naming style. Once your notebooks are in OneDrive, the rest is easy. Install OneNote on your other devices: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, or use the web version at onenote.com. When you open the app, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used on your main device. This is crucial. If you sign in with a different account, you won't see your notebooks. You can usually confirm which account you're using in the app's settings or account area. After signing in, open the notebook list and select the notebooks stored in OneDrive. They'll download to the device and start syncing automatically. You'll notice that changes you make on one device appear on the others, often within a few seconds. If you're working offline, OneNote will queue your edits and push them to OneDrive as soon as you reconnect. On mobile, you can adjust sync preferences if you want to limit large syncs to Wi-Fi. If you ever see a sync error or a conflict, let OneNote guide you through resolving it. Usually it's as simple as choosing which version to keep. And remember, as long as your notebooks are in OneDrive and you're signed in with the same account everywhere, you're set. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.